Welcome to Real Civil YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you the signs of concrete deterioration, in which the first one is the cold joints. If you see here, this is called as the cold joint, or in this picture here you can see this is called as cold joint. So what is the reason behind it? So the reason behind it is when new concrete is poured against the concrete that has hardened. Means first you have pour some level of concrete, and then this concrete is getting hardened. Okay, and after that sometimes then you will pouring some new fresh concrete, then at the time you can observe such kinds of cold joints. So this is the first sign of deterioration. Another one is their blowholes. Here you can see in this picture the blowholes. So let's see what is the reason behind it. The reason behind it is they caused by air in the concrete being trapped. Means air is getting trapped against the face of the formwork, and the reason is insufficient vibration, and you can observe them when you strip off the formwork. So when you strip off the formwork, you will see these kinds of blowholes or bug holes because of trapped air. Okay, so cold joint we have discussed. Next one is the honeycombing. So here you can see this is honeycombing, and here also you can see this is honeycombing. So what is honeycombing? Here you can see only large aggregates. You can't see here the fine aggregate or cementitious material. So if you see what is honeycombing, it is nothing but area of the surface that are coarse and stony. Means insufficient fine material. There will be very less fine material in the mixed design of concrete, and the reason is incorrect aggregate grading or poor mix, or lack of compaction and vibration. These are some reason behind the honeycombing. How can you identify honeycombing? So you can see only coarser material, not any finer material. Okay. Next one is the crazing. Here you can see small cracks on the surface are called as crazing. So what is the reason behind it? The reason behind it is the shrinkage. Shrinkage means loss of water. So from the surface layer, loss of water is very fast, and because of that there are cracks on the surface. Okay, next sign of deterioration is pop out. So this is the picture of pop out. So the reason behind this is freeze on thaw action. Okay, means aggregates gets removed from that place because of expansion due to freeze and thaw action. So these are the pop outs. Next one is the structural cracking. You can see here structural cracking may be because of faulty design or excessive load. There are many reasons behind structural cracking. Next sign of deterioration is spalling. So here you can see spalling. You can see the reinforcement is getting exposed, and the part of concrete is fallen down. So this action is called as spalling, and the reason behind the spalling is freeze on thaw action, or it can be due to corrosion of the steel. Okay, in the corrosion the volume of the steel increases and it pushes the surface of the concrete. Next one is the corrosion. You have seen this corrosion on many sites, and this is the main reason behind the failure of the structure. So we have seen many signs of deteriorations of the concrete. Okay, thank you so much. Please like, share, subscribe the video. Thank you so much.